All right, so you kept telling yourself that you were going to study tomorrow, and now the ACT is tomorrow. What are we going to do? The math section. This section will give you 60 minutes to answer 60 questions, which seems like a perfect fit, right? You just spend 1 minute on each question. Well, that's actually not the case because the questions start out super easy and then get much more difficult as you get to the end of the test. So we cannot just pace ourselves according to 1 minute per question all the way throughout the test. What you'll have to do instead, if you want to answer all the questions, is get through about the first half in about 20 or 22 minutes. But my first weird tip here is that you have to actually understand how good you are at the math section. If you think that you're going to get a perfect 36 or you're shooting for a top level score like that, that's exactly how you should pace yourself. But if you know that you're not quite that strong at the math section and you're really just shooting for like a mid to upper 20s score, then what we should do is spend as much time as we can making sure that we're getting all the questions 1 through 40 correct that we possibly can, and we're not making any silly mistakes or misreading any of those questions. Then we can spend our leftover time really trying to get those questions in the 40s and beyond correct. But if we really lock in on 1 through 40, that will give us the best chance possible of getting into that mid to upper 20s range. Just don't forget to fill in the bubble and at least guess on all the questions that you didn't have time to get to at the end.